What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. Today I want to talk about a fun experience that I had. I had the privilege to get a lash lift done. I was contacted by Sugar Bar NYC to go in for a complimentary lash lift and facial, and it was pretty bomb. I genuinely enjoy having long lashes. These are not my lashes, I wish they were, but usually what I do is I go get lash extensions done. After I was contacted, I started looking into it and the different services they offered, and I was just like, what the heck is a lash lift? So I was like, I know what a facelift is, lash lift, the whole concept sounded really scary to me. So I looked it up and it seemed kind of interesting. So I have my notes here and everything that I wrote down because I was trying to keep notes as like everything was happening, like mental notes. So then I wrote it all down as soon as I got home. So basically the purpose of lash lifts is to make your lashes appear longer, curled, lifted, darker. So I thought that was pretty cool, and you don't need mascara when you do the lash lift, similar to the lash extension. It's not anything that they're putting on. Basically, in layman's terms, what it is they're putting like a lash kind of glue-ish type thing through the lashes. You sit there for like 20 minutes or so, the lash is lifted. It's basically, essentially what it is like, it's like a glue that holds your lashes up. But don't be afraid of the term glue. It's not like a glue. It's like, I don't know, something safe for the lashes. But nothing gets into your eye, and then afterwards, they tint your lashes so your lashes are like very dark and also long and curled. And I personally really enjoyed the experience. My lashes are pretty long, not for nothing. If you have long lashes as it is and you try the lash lift, it's just gonna enhance it even more. The girl that did mine, Sadia, she was really nice, and she took her time with it. We were talking all through it. It was very comfortable. She's very chill, so I really enjoyed my experience there because we just talked about like a whole bunch of different things. It lasts about 2 to 3 months. For me, I like to wear false lashes because I like that like really dramatic look, but I find even when I'm not wearing false lashes and I have mascara on, I don't even need to wear mascara, but if I do wear it, it just really lengthens it and it looks amazing. And every 3 to 5 weeks you go in to get touch-ups. It's not a keratin touch-up, but it's just kind of like continuously lifting it. I also got a facial done, and I really enjoyed the facial. Sadia, I think, uses a lot of Mario Badescu things, which is very natural. Everything she uses is pretty natural, but I really enjoyed that. I've been trying to go a lot more natural in my routine and in the skincare and the products that I use, so I was very happy that she was using like Mario Badescu, because I do love the Mario Badescu spray, and I have tried a few of the different masks and things like that, and I really did enjoy it. Her location that she's in is very small for right now. I feel like she's just kind of getting started. She does waxing, she does sugaring, she does like vajacials. Like, what the hell is a vajacial? Literally, it's just crazy. But she does a wide range of services, so I'll have her website down below. But I am very happy with my lash lift. Ain't nobody touching my vajayjay. I feel like I'm not trying to have my goods all up in the world. So John and my my Brazilian lady are the only ones down there. That's so awkward. Maybe I'll edit that out. It's not like one of those like bougie places, so you don't have to feel uncomfortable or weird or anything like that. There's one room that you go in and she does everything in basically, and I personally really enjoyed it. Please go ahead and make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button for notifications. You know this whole social media thing, the algorithms change. You don't see your friends here, you don't see your friends there, you don't see me anywhere, and I'm like, what the heck? So get notified. Follow me on my Reesiibabe Instagram, and I will talk to you guys later. See ya. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a lash lift and vlogging my entire experience. It's this place in New York. It's in the Queens. It's called the Sugar Bar NYC. I just missed the parking lot. So I like went back around. My appointment's at 1. I'm getting a lash lift done and a facial done. I'm really excited to get it done before school starts. And the girl seems really nice, so I'm so excited. So I will be vlogging everything. Let's not miss the parking lot this time, Reese. Right in this little plaza right here, and it's right over there where it's a blowout spot. I'm here to get a facial. Facial?
Welcome to the Sugar Bar NYC.
Yay!
My face is so nice.
Yeah, and it's gonna stay like that. If you touch it, it's not oily or greasy or anything.
I love it.
So now I'm putting on the silicone pads. And after the pads are on, we're gonna put all your lashes back. And then we're gonna start lifting them. Right now, I'm putting the lashes back by applying a little bit of water-based silicone glue onto the eye pads, and then we're gonna push all the lashes back onto it. There you go. One lash is done. So this is the Yumi Lift, and it's a keratin-based treatment that lifts the lashes and gives you that nice curl that you want. So these are my lashes. I'm so excited. They look so good.
So it was fun, wasn't it? I really enjoyed that. I genuinely loved how my lashes looked afterwards. They were really, really nice, and the facial was so relaxing and so calming, and I genuinely enjoyed it. I just love getting pampered, you guys, so I'm gonna enjoy anything. But she was so fun, and it was just a very good experience. Please don't forget to check out the Sugar Bar NYC down below. She's located in Queens, so for all my Queens people, you guys are good to go. Thanks for watching. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.